Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. Let's solve another LeetCode problem in C#. So today's problem is problem number 1768, merge strings alternatively. So you'll be given two words, you have to join them into a new word with alternative letters from each word. In example 1, we can see that word 1 has ABC, word 2 has PQR, and the output should be A, first letter from the first word, P, first letter from second word, then go back to the first word, get the second letter, go to the word 2, get the second letter, and go back to word 1, get the last letter, and go to the word 2 and get the last letter from the word 2. Hence the output is A, P, B, Q, C, R. In case where the length of the words are not equal, then we will use whatever the shortest length of the whichever word, and then we will maintain the order of the word that has greater length than the previous one. So let me explain the problem. In example 2, we can see word 1 has only 2 letters, that is A and B, whereas word 2 has 4 letters that are P, Q, R, S. So we'll get the first letter from the first word, then go to word 2, get the first letter, go back to word 1, get the second letter, go to word 2, get the second letter. Now the length of the word 1 is over, then we will get the remaining letters from the word 2 and put them into the new word that we have just created. Thus the output is A, P, B, Q, R, S. Similarly, in example 3, where the word 1 has 4 letters and word 2 has only 2 letters, we will do the alternative logic till the word letters from word 2 are over, and then we'll put the remaining letters from the word 1 in the same order they are given to us. So the output is A, P, B, Q, C, D. Alright, that's a lot of explanation. I hope you guys understood. Let me write the program. I think that will make everything more clearer. So like always, let's create some variables to store some valuable information to solve this problem. So we'll create a new variable to store our merge letters. So we'll call it merge letters. We'll call it merge. So that's gonna be a new string builder because we'll be manipulating this string a lot. So don't want the immutable string over here. We'll call it merge. That's going to be a new string builder. I don't want to write length again and again, so I'm gonna create another variable. Let's call it length of 1. That's gonna be word 1 dot length, where of length 2. That's gonna be word 2 dot length. So now let's find the max length of the two. Let's call it where max length, which is, we can use math function math dot max of length 1 and length 2. So whichever number is greater, that should be in the max length. Now we'll use for loop int I equals to 0. We'll go till the max length and increment the I. If I is less than length 1, that means our word 1 has still some letters in it, so we can simply call it merge dot append word 1 dot word 1 of I. Similarly, if I is less than length 2, we'll call it merge dot append word 2 of I. So in that way, this loop should go till the max length, and these two if condition will check whether I is greater than the length of available string. So In first example, it should traverse through both the words where max length is 3. In second example, the max length would be 4, but this condition will stop appending letters from word 1 since I will be greater than length 1. In example 3, our length 2 will stop at 2, and then remaining letters should be added using this if logic. So I think we got everything we need in the variable merge. Let's return that. Merge. You cannot return merge. This is a string builder, so we need to call toString to return the output in a string format. If I have typed everything correctly, we should not get any compilation error. There you go. Every time. LENGTH. Okay. What's merge does not exit. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. Merge. There you go. All the cases are accepted. So our solution is accepted. This is how you do simple merge string in alternatively. We have solved LeetCode problem 1768. As always, I do pick up all the questions from AlgoMap. Link is down in the description. If you ever want to go ahead and solve more problems, then you can go to their website. They have a beautiful UI where you can keep track of how many questions you have solved. I've always used AlgoMap to find new problems to solve, practice some LeetCode questions. Alright, thank you so much for watching till the end. See you guys next time in the next video. Bye.